Ala, daganang dulaan. Hello.
For me.
Kuya, dali yan.
For me.
Ala.
Ouch. Okay, you can turn it to one.
Papa Jude, starring kayo ni.
Hey, no, we said we.
Where the other kuan?
Well, that was because
So hard.
Oh, okay. Wala. Ulos-ulos o apre.
Good. Tug.
Actually, there's like 2 layers of duct tape.
Why is it like this?
Oh.
Buk tayo sa.
Oh, watch out, Mika.
What's this?
This one. Wait. She got like that.
Is this bit? No, this bit.
Asas Papa? Asas Papa? Asas Papa?
Pa?
Asa ka? Sige, you guys do the rambu-rambu.
dili ka aron open yung mga block.
Yeah, I think you forgot a corner.
Akong kaon akong kaon
I think you forgot a corner.
Ali, diri. Asas Mika.
Gonna have several players involved here.
Okay, okay.
Okay, Daddy
better.
David,
Watch
do the
out.
kuan. Watch out, Kuya Yuan.
Oh,
Darling, that's not how you do it.
What, that?
Maybe on the side. Watch out na. Your bunting is very kuan na.
I think you missed the corner.
Maybe this knife's not the best.
Nagdala na siya dagang bunting.
No, Mika, don't use mama.
Wala si Mika. Dagang bunting.
There's another.
Mika, is that mama's?
Yes.
Don't use mama's.
Why?
Because it will ruin the sharpness of our blade.
I
This
don't
is
wanna go
for
crazy.
garments.
Ah, for garments.
Did you ask her?
Naurot na.
Is that also mama?
Dali kung ka ni close na.
Mick, you should ask her first.
So watch out. Pantay.
Mick, you should ask her first. Telekinesis path.
Ano sa ano?
Mick, you should ask
Ano
her
sa
first
okay?
because we don't know which one she doesn't want you to use.
Asa din kapita?
That's me.
Wala
I
na
don't
po.
think it's borrow.
Wala.
Mick, Mika. Ate, you missed the corner. Mika.
Ate, careful ate. Careful ate.
Nice scissor dito tong akong scissor na.
There, middle. Just slide over there. That's it.
Mika, makasama ka dyan. Mika.
Inap.
Ayun. One Mick.
Careful, me.
Do you wanna cut it, be?
Knock, knock. Kanina ko.
Ang nga,
You can cut through here with scissors or...
Uy! Careful.
So scared with this.
Make, I don't
Yeah,
know.
the knife's not that safe.
Then, parang sila.
Boy.
I need scissors.
That's it. David is on the way. But there's still tape on the
It's okay.
bottom.
Asa good yung suki?
Oh, fresh.
Another one. That's
Oh.
how secure it is.
Just cut it here, darling. Oh, here. Cut this one, darling.
Ate, you missed the corner.
Okay na, Mick. Okay na. Sige, Mick.
In the middle.
Good job, Mick. Mick, bantay, anak. Mick, that's very sharpie.
Mick.
In the middle na. In the middle.
Your kuan is, ayun na, kay that's for special for garments. Where is the other one, the blue one of Tita?
Diha.
Dira, nagdiin na. Watch out.
There we go.
Pillow. Wow.
It's my pillow. Okay.
Oh, diri na yung couch.
Diri na.
Is this for me?
Dili na pilo, mama.
No, that's for you. There you go. One pack for you. One pack for you.
Lato.
There you go. Oh, I'm only mucking about.
Nayabo nga sabon.
No, it's the cake.
Sayal, this is for you.
Mindanao.
Sayal.
Dili man ako sayaw.
Oh, clean hair.
Mindanao. Papa Jun, ano
That's
yung
so
pangalan, Papa Jun?
good.
Tago saan na, Papa Jun?
Mindanao.
I'll let you guys
Mika,
do it now.
it's wet.
Salud dari Papa Jo.
Kuya Marlon.
This one's not wet.
Oh, that's for you.
This one's not wet.
Mika.
For Mika?
Mika.
This is for you, Mika.
Mika, this is for you.
Mika, Mika.
Mika, look.
For you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Hala, tako ama.
What's this? Protein?
Boost.
Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap.
Raspberry.
Who wants this?
Me.
Who wants this, Daddy friend?
Daddy friend.
Ano ni ngalan? O ako palo basta na yung Mindanao ani. Wala rin. Oo.
Now. Yes.
Mindanao ka na Mindanao hatag ni Daddy. Uy, Mindanao naman eh. Mindanao din perfume. Ah.
Network.
What's this?
Mindanao.
It's the
I have this. I
Ah.
have this in my shelf.
Ah.
Well, still, last Vatican handbag.
Ah. Really?
Yeah.
Uy, mo na eh.
Garnier.
bubble wrap.
Papa.
I know na. Kuan.
Nay, nakuan.
Dishwashing.
Oh no.
Yatag na si mo Papa dong inyo na dong dia pa dong oh.
Can I
Skincare.
also use it?
Okay, yes.
Who's this?
Yours.
Yours.
Is this consumable?
It's you.
Mika, use
What
this.
what do you mean consumable?
What's this?
This for like vitamin C for skincare.
Oh, is it serum?
Yes, serum.
Oh, I thought you have to eat it.
Ah. Nakuha ko na yung dress. Ma, shampoo, ma!
What's in?
What is this?
A whole bunch of soap.
Yeah. Why wouldn't that be?
Oh, your eyes.
Okay.
Ano siya? Murag na lata. Mamel, dagan na kang basurahan.
Ay, mali pa.
Should come through.
That's not.
Papa John, dili butang Papa John.
That's not for sleeping, Mika.
Nato yung mga pangalan.
That's for
Naa.
your head. As a headband.
Napadago yung plastic. Ayaw, huy, sa Mindanao
Mika?
na.
Wait, whose is this?
Is this also Mika?
Wala na, na-record na to. Na-record na to. Ah, that's
For me?
for Mika.
Sorry.
Whose is
Here you
this?
go, Mika. This is also for
Mika.
you.
Mika.
Mika, this is for you.
Thank you.
Kadadi
Whose is this?
Mine.
Oh, Kuya Yuan.
Mika. I think you like this.
Hala, nayabo din.
Aura.
Hair color.
Din, nayabo ang kuan din. Kanang
Dishwashing.
dishwashing.
Black.
I think Mama can wash it.
Hala, nayabo. Kana ako nag-wash, kuya. Yapa, kuya.
It's part of the design. Look.
Oh, na,
Oh,
babal
wait.
tagde.
This one's filled.
Oh, yatag ng
But it
mami,
looks
be.
good, right?
Ipagamit na ng mami.
Thank you.
Why would I put lotion?
Kanina, I feel pa
Black. I-mix ni mo siya pa. Kaysa pa kay gabi.
Tara,
Gabi
mga
ko pa.
conditioner, shampoo.
Oh, Mika.
Mika. Mika.
Uy.
Yatag na ni.
Is this me?
Asa?
Mom.
Oh, Mika. Mika.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Oh, something.
Oh, it's a pair of
Mika.
Puro pambayag sa nina ko yan.
Wow.
Wow! Shut the front door! Awa na.
Tara. Kada-deplain ako na to, headband.
Ah, different.
Mika.
Siyempre, ako isa sa kayo.
Olive.
Hala, giubo na ko kay gihuot. Ay,
Ako na.
kanagisingot ako.
Make I have this one?
Mamil. Oh, mamil!
Napay ko.
Wala, bitaw ka pala. Gibutang na dra para ikuan.
Vaseline.
Mamel!
Oh, kana kami ka.
Body wash.
Who did this?
Santa Bisque.
Bisagin na.
What if I wear it?
Oh, si Wear siya.
Imo na siya?
No. Who did this?
Kita, wala kayo ni... Wala kayo ni kuan, mga gamit ni siya. Hala, mamil, pang washing ni mo, mamil. Daga na kayo.
Thank you. Come on, baby.
Nag-t-shirt ko rin.
What's this?
Isa na eh.
Washing.
Mine! Just kidding.
Kamay.
Gibuta. Ang ubang salina kay kuan siya, kanay para di mo. Oh, sige, hatag ng toothpaste dito sa kuan. Wala pa.
Gate man eh.
Wait, we're not this.
So,
Adala sa floor. Dra.
so.
Oh, yun mo na lang, kuya yan.
Pambayad food na, uy.
Kanya na lang, di pa okay.
Let's go gate.
Wow.
Maling bisiyaan ang makeup.
I like lemon.
How about this one? Unsa ni? Unsa ni kuan?
Wait, this looks so edible.
Ala, mga lutuan man, na kay lutuan ang bago.
Dali, friend. Shadow lang mo.
Cooking car.
Una.
Imo na ang anak kay dapat nag-cleanse.
Okay na eh, pagkatulog.
Pwede pantulog, pwede pantulog.
So, this is like this.
Walas kuya Shan.
Mika, bantay ka sa scissors ha.
Uwan, sa'yo mong gisimot, diba? Hay! Buing, ampin! Ampin, di ka dila, ampin ang uban.
Bayad mo. Why? Bali, bali, ay.
Oh, sige na, suki.
Ala, daganang dulaan. Hello.
For me!
Kuya, dali mo dyan.
For me!
Ala.
Ouch!
I-open, i-open.
Fem instead of boys.
Napa.
For me! Thank you, tita.
Butter spam.
Wait, let me check.
Spam.
Saan nato ni Butang?
Oh, okay, sige na, Milo.
Ala, papalit ko. Bago yung sleep ko, no? Sige natin, nag-stop.
Laon sa rin.
Roll pa, anyway.
Nay, na.
Hala, nalata. Ah, okay na, wala na open. Na-open, wala.
Kana, spam.
Dili, mabasa.
Spam lagi, sa mota gani.
Wait, Av, can you follow me?
Lahi gago yung mabasa.
With this?
Ay! Shut the front
Ano,
door.
Wala.
Oh, Mika! Mika! Imo, Mika! Mika, oh!
Av, can you film me real quick? Can you film
Hindi
me?
siya na mga gamit.
Mika, imo ni Mika.
Mika.
I don't want it.
Oh, Kuya Yuan, imo ni Kuya Yuan. Kay Tech Sports man ka, Kuya Yuan.
Mika, dito.
Yeah, go. Go. Go.
Wala na ay. Wala.
Wala pa ba?
Gani, wala ba na abi? I don't know. Unsa nang nakakos, ana. Nice something.
Oh. Spam.
Ayon.
I don't know what.
Ayon.
Oh, bagong baso, plato. Sini.
Oh,
Oh, kape.
oh, my baby.
Milo, dahang Milo.
Oh, my baby. Okay, that's all.
Mo Milo mo dili.
Milk.
Milk.
Full cream.
Saon yung pagbahig.
Yeah, the flour.
Bagong kutsara.
Now it's milk
Wait,
powder.
macaroni.
Oh.
Full cream.
Oh, Mika. Mika! This is for you!
I only have like that.
Wow, daghan ng Nutella.
Oh,
Thank you,
dili mo na
Papa.
question! Yun, yun!
Thank you. Nutella. Oh, I like that.
Nutella!
Mika, look.
To share!
Mika.
Daga na kayo, Nutellas ko yung yuan. Mika!
Macaroni.
Mika!
Hatag Sophia ng upan.
Hindi ka na eh. Puro sa likod.
Pamili, hatag na lang ni Sophia ni Uban. Anong sadagana na kuno kayo din na kadawat. Mika had enough David because she had got a lot of dress. And she said, it's too much already. Pili at
Alright.